Have you ever struggled with finding a sustainable way to lose weight? You are not alone. Millions of people around the world are constantly searching for the perfect diet or superfood that will help them achieve their weight loss goals. But what if I told you that the answer might be hiding in plain sight in a tiny, unassuming grain that has been around for thousands of years? The grain we're looking at today is quinoa, a protein-packed powerhouse that has been a staple in South American diets for centuries. Quinoa is a small, round grain that comes in a variety of colors, including white, red, and black. It's often mistaken for a cereal grain, but it's actually a pseudo-cereal, meaning it's not technically a grain at all. It's one of the few plant-based sources of complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. Just 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides about 8 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to boost their protein intake. Quinoa is also rich in fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. This is crucial when it comes to weight loss, as it can help prevent overeating and snacking between meals. Quinoa is also packed with vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and potassium, which are all essential for maintaining optimal health. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume quinoa tend to have lower body weight and a lower BMI compared to those who don't. This may be due to quinoa's high protein and fiber content, which can help reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness. In one study, researchers found that overweight and obese individuals who consumed quinoa daily for 12 weeks experienced significant reductions in body weight, BMI, and waist circumference compared to those who consumed a control diet. Another study found that replacing high glycemic index foods with quinoa resulted in greater weight loss and improvements in body composition. Quinoa is also a low glycemic index food, meaning it doesn't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This is important for weight loss, as high blood sugar can lead to increased hunger and cravings for sugary and high-carb foods. All of these factors make quinoa the secret weapon for weight loss. Its high protein and fiber content, along with its low glycemic index, make it an ideal food for promoting satiety and reducing overall calorie intake. Plus, its impressive nutrient profile means you'll be getting a wide range of vitamins and minerals with every serving. Of course, it's important to remember that no single food can magically melt away the pounds. Sustainable weight loss requires a balanced whole food diet, regular exercise, and other healthy lifestyle habits like getting enough sleep and managing stress. But incorporating quinoa into your diet can certainly be a step in the right direction. So, next time you're at the grocery store, consider picking up some quinoa and giving it a try. With its versatility and delicious nutty flavor, you may just find yourself falling in love with this ancient grain and all of its health benefits. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest content.